So it's just come to my attention in the past 24 hours or so that there's a lot of people that don't know how to make pie, or they say they've never made a pie crust. And there's a phrase, easy as pie, for a reason. I'm going to show you how. Making a pie crust is so easy. In fact, when I was in college in speech class, for a 2-minute speech, I actually demonstrated how to make a crust and had it in the pan and fluted and everything, either ready to bake or to add the filling and bake, or add the top crust if you wanted to do that. That would be extra time beyond that, but that's actually quite easy as well. But I'm going to show you how, because not everyone likes the store-bought crust, and when you make it at home, you can make it healthier. You know exactly what's in it. You can also save some money, and I think it's actually tastier. That's my opinion. So I'm going to show you how. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to start with 2 cups of flour, and I'm going to do it because Thanksgiving dinner. I'm going to actually do a cup of white and a cup of whole wheat. You could use 2 cups of whole wheat pastry flour, or you could do all whole wheat, but today I'm going to do 50-50. Next is 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to mix the dry together. Next is the liquid, and I'm going to do between 2/3 and 3/4 cup of oil. Fill the rest to the 1 cup mark of water. All right, half that mixed into the pan, the other half will go on the top. I would use this if I were going to make a top crust. Remember that? So try this, it's medically appropriate for you, and follow me. Happy Thanksgiving.